Welcome back to FasTrax Cars. I'm Kevin Matlo, and I got Al here with an absolutely stunning 1954 Chevy truck. Al, welcome to my show.
Thank you.
Tell me a little bit about the truck.
Well, the truck, it's a 1954 Chevy 3100. It's all been redone. I didn't do the work on it. The work was done between Mission and Mission, BC and Abbotsford, BC. So the interior was done in Mission. The bodywork and everything was done in Abbotsford.
Okay, absolutely.
So they did a beautiful, beautiful job.
And and when I say custom, you'll see it in a second. This is an absolutely beautiful custom. Everything's custom. What kind of engine's in this?
350. So 350. It's all roller rockers, roller cam. It's all been redone. So it's healthy. It's probably about maybe 4.25 horse. It's got 400 turbo transmission in it, 3-speed. And other than that, it was built to be a pro street. So when you look at it, the tires are 18 inches in the rear there. It looks like a pro street truck.
Yeah, absolutely. And it's stunning. Everything's chrome braided lines. Everything is top notch on this engine.
Yeah.
And it's pushing out, you said, how many horsepower?
Probably 4.25 horse.
4.25 horse on a truck that really doesn't weigh a whole hell of a lot.
No, all the frame's been all redone. It's been back half, 4-link suspension. It's got the Heights front end independent suspension on it. So all that's been reworked.
Right, and it's adjustable suspension.
That's correct.
And how much rise and lower in it? How much can it go?
Well, it's funny because I just took the shocks off last night. I wanted to raise it up a little bit. I had to move the hole up on the support rod, and I could probably get 2 inches if I wanted to.
Really?
To raise it up, yeah. So
that's
fair
fantastic.
enough. Yeah.
Fantastic. And the brakes on it, they're all obviously disc brakes all around?
Disc brakes all around,
yeah. Slotted?
Not slotted, just standard.
Standard disc brakes. And custom rims, chrome rims, anything that's metal is chrome basically on this truck.
Pretty much, yeah.
And a custom paint job. Now the paint job, I'll show you in a second. It's all flames, skulls.
Yes.
Tremendous.
The paint, it was done by a shop called Do For You in Abbotsford, and they did, I guess the fellow that owned this truck or had a commission to be built had it at different shops, and they didn't do the best of work. So we finally found this shop here, and they did pretty much fixed everything, painted it, and then this fellow named Curtis Ham, come in and did all the artwork that you see on it.
Which is incredible.
Very talented job. It's unbelievable.
And it's got the cover on the back. It's got the tonneau on the back.
Yeah,
which is
got
great.
The Grim Reaper on the back tonneau cover. Tailgate has the 54 Chevy emblem with the 54 on it. You'll see if you go around it.
Yeah. Okay.
The exhaust is into the running boards. Did a really nice job there.
So kind of a side pipe.
Yeah, it's sort of integrated instead of hanging below like a lot of you see. It's integrated into the running boards.
Excellent. And it's pretty well straight piped all the way back, or is it resonated?
It's got a Magnaflow muffler, but it's not. It's got a cool sound to it. It's a little loud.
Good. Excellent. Well, it has to be.
Yeah.
You don't have a vehicle that looks like this and doesn't sound like that.
Yeah.
You kind of have to have
the
both.
sound matches the look of the vehicle.
Excellent. That's fantastic. And it drives okay, obviously.
100%. Yeah. It's amazing how comfortable this truck is. For a shorter wheelbase, but the suspension, the way they did it there, it rides so nice. And the seats are very comfortable. I really don't know what the seats are out of. I've asked different people. I've tried to find out, but I don't know. The fella that had the car built doesn't really want to talk about the car itself, so I'm sort of finding out different things about it too.
Absolutely. That's strange that someone doesn't want to talk about the vehicle that they spend that much time on.
I guess he owns a lot of cars from what I've been told, and he just really doesn't want to talk. I don't know if he had it built, possibly lost some money in the deal when he sold it, and so he doesn't want to talk about it.
I don't blame
I tried
him
to get a hold of him, but couldn't do it.
Right. obviously you just drive it to shows. It's not a daily driver.
Not a daily driver.
No.
No. The interior work, if you take a look at that, it's just amazing. The fellow that did the work there, he was classic threads, the mission, beautiful. Really impressed.
That's fantastic. And you've had several cars in the past, so I mean, you're no stranger to custom cars.
No, most of my cars have been, I take them to shows, so they've been quality cars.
Yeah. What are the cars you've had in the past?
Well, last year I sold a car. I went down to Toronto's Challenger TA 340 or 346 pack.
Yeah.
I've had cars like Reg, the 69 Camaros, 69 Super B. I had a Viper last spring, 2006. It only had 5,000 kilometers on it. It went down to Toronto. A Super B went over to Switzerland.
Oh wow.
I've had street rods, and your cousin has a couple of my cars, 69 Mustang Mach 1, 69 or 34 Ford 3-window coupe. I've had a 34 Chevy 3-window coupe. So I've had a lot of cars.
No, this is fantastic. I mean, vehicles like this, I can't say you don't see it very often.
Yeah.
You almost never see vehicles like this.
Well, I'm surprised Terry let it go because it's such a beautiful truck.
Yeah.
But he was a very good caretaker of all the vehicles that he has.
Yeah, he is. He definitely takes care of his equipment. So, thank you so much for being on my show. I do appreciate your time.
Thank you.
If you're an automotive enthusiast like we are, like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you're alerted when new videos go live.